And if anybody else joins the class, that's okay, no worries. Let's get started. I'm going to do a lesson on expressions, get plus adjective expressions. So in the virtual classroom, that would be here. You have your video from yesterday. You have your material, which we're going to do today. And here it is. Basically, if you watched the video yesterday, you should understand the meaning of expressions with get plus adjective. So let's start with a speaking activity today. And Jessica, would you like to be the first person to demonstrate for the class?
Hi, teacher. Of course.
Hello. Okay, Jessica. So please tell us, please answer question number 1. When do you get angry and why?
I have several reasons, but one would be when I'm hot. Yeah.
Okay. Like the temperature is really high.
Yeah, exactly.
Good. Okay, good. So can you repeat the sentence that you said, and can you use this example phrase, please?
Yes, I get angry when it's hot outside.
Yeah, very good. And in English, we tend to use this pronoun or subject, it or its. So I get angry when it's hot outside. Great answer, Jessica. Very good. And now let's go to Valeria. Okay, Valeria, are you there? Okay, are you there, Valeria? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Hi.
Okay, hey. So when do you get angry, Valeria, and why? Word for this. You're angry because you're hungry, we say hangry. Hungry plus angry, hangry. It's not a real word. It's just like a slang word. But it's like an informal word. But yes, great job, Adit. I get angry when I am hungry. Fantastic. That's a really good, that's perfect grammar in your phrase. Really good. And now Kasia. Kasia, when do you get angry and why?
I get angry when something is wrong and I'm sleeping and someone wakes me up.
Wow. Wow, that's a very descriptive and specific answer. So I really like how you had a very specific answer, and also your grammar was good too. The grammar was really good. I get angry when something is wrong and I'm sleeping and someone wakes me up. Fantastic. Can you please repeat it one more time with this example sentence and then your answer, please?
Okay. Something is wrong and I'm sleeping and someone wakes me up.
Yes. Yeah, wakes me up. And now please start with this part.
Okay.
And then add your answer.
Okay. I get angry when something is wrong and I'm sleeping and someone wakes me up.
Excellent. Very good. Yes, very good. And in English, you can use this conjunction if you want, right? I mean, sure, it's a good way to continue your speech. So if you notice something is wrong, here we have a phrase, right? We have a phrase here, and then we have another phrase, and then we have another phrase. These are, and it's grammatically correct too. So look, something is wrong, and I am sleeping, and someone wakes me up. So subject, verb, object, and then this is just your basic sentence with is in the middle. So very good. You put 3 basic phrases together and it was grammatically correct and it sounded really fluent. Adjective. Some of them, there are phrasal verbs with get. There are collocations with get. There are verb phrases with get. And there is get plus adjective expressions. So this lesson is really only focusing on this. So not only do you need to understand that get plus adjective means become, more or less, you also have to understand that we're just focusing on this one kind of expression today. There are many other expressions that are not the same, right? Like if you see I am going to get, there's a lot of, I won't go into them because there's a lot of examples, but just know that we're doing get plus adjective expressions today. These are not collocations with get. These are not phrasal verbs with get. These are not verb phrases with get. This is one specific kind of get phrase. So that's really important, right? So I think next week I'll probably do collocations with get. And then after that, I'll probably do like verb phrases with get. I believe I have already done phrasal verbs with get, but you must understand that get plus adjective is different than these. These are different things. So you have to understand first, what is an adjective? If you don't know what an adjective is, this will be very difficult for you. But then you need to understand what the verb become means. And if you understand those things, then it's pretty easy to use these expressions with get. But get is really Germanic. It comes from Germanic, right? It does not come from Latin. So Spanish, Portuguese, French, it's really hard sometimes for you to use these get expressions because they're kind of weird. They're kind of specific to English and specific to German. So anyways, how about I'll have David. David, please try the first example, example A. Please read the sentence and complete the sentence appropriately. I will either give you the verb get or I will give you the adjective. So you need to basically just fill in the sentence, complete the sentence, and here are your possibilities here. So, okay, so David, letter A, please.
It will get dark at 7:30 this evening.
Exactly. Get dark. It'll get dark at 7:30 this evening. And written another way, it will become dark at 7:30, right? It will become dark at 7:30 p.m. Or that just basically means that day turns into night. Day turns into night. It'll get dark at 7:30 p.m. It'll become dark. That's when day turns into night. Okay, how about Cassia, letter B, please? This one might be a little tricky. This one's a little tricky, so.
Yes.
Okay, Cassia, go for it.
Answer. Okay.
Cassia, you're up.
I think he get drunk the bar last night.
Yes.
As a result, he's hungover this morning.
Yes. And now, Cassia, one small thing to
Oh.
change. Last night. So what is the past tense?
Got
Yeah,
drunk.
exactly. Exactly. So don't forget,
Okay.
get is a verb. Great job. Thank you very much, Cassia. And if get is a verb, it follows all the same rules as every other verb. Same as every other verb. Same. So last night is past tense. Last night is the past. Therefore, you must conjugate the verb get to the past tense. You don't conjugate the adjective, you conjugate the verb. So past, present, future, same rules apply. Excellent job, Cassia. And someone asked, Valeria had a question. What does hungover mean? So I don't know, but let's look at the context of the sentence. He got drunk at the bar last night. As a result, he's hungover this morning. So you should be able to guess the meaning of this word just by the context of the sentence. So what do you think it means to be hungover?
Slept over.
No, this is a feeling.
I think
Hungover.
when you drank a lot,
Yeah. Yeah. How do you feel?
another day you feel bad.
Yeah, to feel sick or bad after drinking alcohol. Okay. Right? So this is a feeling in the morning
Mm.
after you wake up and you drank too much alcohol the night before. You are hungover. Hungover is an adjective. And hangover, have a hangover, is the noun. I don't think there's a verb. I don't really think there's a verb for this one. So
Ah, yeah.
very common expression in English. To be hungover means you're sick. You feel bad because you drank too much. So yes, very good. Yes. And here is a phrase, as a result. As a result of getting drunk, he is hungover. So this phrase also tells you that this is a result of this.
Seu cachorro é seu?
So, okay, excellent. So let's go to, how about Sarah? Sarah from Algeria. Letter C, please.
It's going to get hot tomorrow.
Yes,
Yeah.
please finish reading.
Be sure to bring lots of water and wear hot.
Yeah,
A
and
hat.
wear a hat.
Wear
Wear
a hat.
a hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna get hot tomorrow. So you should bring lots of water and wear a hat because it's gonna be hot. It's gonna get hot. So like today, maybe, for example, today maybe it's not hot, it's comfortable. Tomorrow it's going to become hot. It's gonna get hot. So this is your future tense right here. Going to plus base verb. Same as every other verb in English. Great job. Fantastic job. And now let's have, where's Jorge? Jorge. Jorge is absent today. So Edith, Edith, it's your turn, please. Edith, can you try with letter D?
The boss is known for having a hot temper.
Mm-hmm.
His employees hate him because he gets angry so easily.
Yes. And thank you for pronouncing the S, Edith. That was very good. If you noticed, she said gets. Correct. He gets angry, right? Third person singular, present tense, add an S. This is an adjective, so you don't change the adjective. So perfect, Adit. Great job. And what does it mean if you have a bad temper? I'll put it in red for a reason. Bad temper. What does that mean?
Maybe it means mood, a bad
Your
mood.
mood. Yes, your mood. Exactly. Your mood. That's about your mood, your inner feeling. How you feel inside. So if you have a bad temper, that means you get angry, like explode easily or often, right? You yell, you scream, you get angry. You can say you explode. Blow up. Phrasal verb for explode. Blow up. Explode. Blow up. So great job, guys.